All right, let's talk about something that could genuinely save you hours in Seller Central. If you are sick and tired of waiting around for seller support, then listen up. I'm about to show you a tool that puts you right back in the driver's seat of your Amazon business.
I mean, seriously, how many times has this happened to you? You're just stuck kind of in this holding pattern, waiting for seller support to fix what feels like a really simple order issue. It's a story every Amazon seller knows, and yeah, it's super frustrating.
And that waiting game, it has a real cost. It's not just about being delayed. It's about losing momentum, right? Think about it. Every single minute you spend chasing a support ticket is a minute you could have been sourcing new products or tweaking your listings, actually growing your business. So yeah, let's call it what it is, the seller waiting game. It's this endless cycle of having to rely on support for these common, everyday problems that, let's be honest, should have a way faster solution. I bet some of these look pretty familiar, right? Trying to schedule a pickup, or maybe handle a return, or just checking on a payment status. They seem like small things, but man, they can turn into absolute time sinks. Okay, but here's the good news. There is a better way. Let's dive into it. Think of this like Amazon's own secret built-in express lane, just for sellers. It's designed so you can completely bypass the queue and fix these things yourself, like instantly. So what is it? It's officially called the Automated Order Workflow. It's basically a self-service tool right inside Seller Central, and it's built for one main reason, to give you immediate, step-by-step solutions for all those common order issues. And the best part? You don't have to contact support at all. And this right here, this shows you the difference in a nutshell. The old way, you're just waiting for replies, totally dependent on someone else's schedule. But this new way, we're talking instant solutions, self-service, and most importantly, it puts you back in control. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does this thing actually work? Well, you're going to be surprised at how simple it is. Seriously, for most problems, it's like a 5-click fix. That's it. All right, let's walk through a super common one. Let's say you just want to check the payment status on an order. All you do is go to Contact Us in Seller Central, you select Customers and Orders, and you just pop in the order ID. Then you just pick your issue, like getting paid. And bam, the workflow instantly gives you the solution. And what's really cool is the system is smart enough to change the options it gives you based on what's actually happening with that order.
And that's it. No, seriously, your question is answered, problem solved, and you didn't have to wait for a single email back and forth. You can just move on with your day. How great is that?
But look, checking a payment? That's just scratching the surface. This thing is not a one-trick pony. You should really think of the automated order workflow as your own personal, all-in-one problem-solving toolkit. And this is where you see the real power. Customer says the courier never showed up. Boom, you can reschedule the pickup yourself instantly. An item arrived damaged? You can start the refund process right then and there. Buyer has a last-minute cancellation before it ships? Done. It literally gives you the power to solve these things on the spot. And it doesn't even stop there. The workflow can help with all sorts of order management stuff. It helps you handle those tricky claims for items damaged in transit. It even gives you packing and shipping help, which if you're a new seller is an absolute lifesaver. It's all about fixing those little frustrating errors before they balloon into big headaches. So when it all comes down to it, what's the ultimate takeaway? If you're a busy seller, what is the one single thing you need to remember from all this? It's this, super simple. The automated order workflow is, hands down, the fastest way to solve most of your order and return issues without waiting around. This tool was designed for one thing and one thing only: speed. Ultimately, it's about empowering you. It's about letting you take back control of your day-to-day, and maybe most importantly, it's about saving your time. Because let's face it, for an entrepreneur, time is the real currency. So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. When you start solving these problems in minutes instead of waiting for days, what are you going to do with all that time you get back? Because that extra time, that's where the real growth in your business is going to happen.